Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Math with Yasir Arfat. Again, we have a 4 lecture on exercise 3.4 and we are going to discuss question number 17 and 18 here. We have the same case in question number 17 and question number 18. Here, this is x plus 6 plus 4x plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 2 plus 56 equal to 0. The case is that this is a, b, c, d, and here we have to apply a plus b will be equals to c plus d. So we have to add these constant here. Then if their results are equal to each other, then we have to rearrange those brackets to each other. This is 6 plus 1 is 7 and 3 minus 2 is 1. They are not equal to each other. Now here 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4. That means we have to rearrange these two brackets and x plus 6 with x minus 2 here. So this is x plus 1, x plus 3 times x plus 6 and x minus 2 plus 56 equal to 0. Now here this is a plus b equals to c plus d. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So their results are equal to each other. According to their results, we have to rearrange these brackets here. Now pairwise we have to multiply these two brackets. So this x will multiply by x, it is x square. Then this x will multiply by 3, this is 3x. Ordinary multiplication we are going to perform here. And this is 1 multiplied by x, it is x, and 3 ones are 3, it is 3. Again we have to multiply these two brackets. X multiplied by x, it is x square. X multiplied by 2, it is minus 2x. 6x and 6 2s are 12 plus 56 equal to 0. Oh, sorry, minus 56 equal to 0. It is plus. Now x square plus 4x plus 3. And this is x square plus 4x minus 12 plus 56 equal to 0. When you have to rearrange these two brackets and after multiplication, so in these two brackets we have some expression in common. That is x square plus 4x, x square plus 4x, it is common. So we have to suppose that x square plus 4x, it is equals to y, and this is say equation number 1. So this is y plus 3 and this is y minus 12 plus 56, it is equal to 0. X square plus 4x, it is equals to y. So this is y plus 3, y minus 12 equal to 0. Now we have to perform the multiplication of these two brackets. Y multiplied by y, y square, y multiplied by 12, y, 3 ones are 3, y, 12 threes are 36. It is equal to 0. So this is y square minus 9y and this is 6 minus 6, 0, 5 minus 3, 2, 0 equal to 0 plus 20. Now we have to middle term break here. You can apply the quadratic formula as well. 5 4s are 20, so minus 5 minus 4y plus 20 equal to 0. Now take out y common here. So this is y minus 5, 4 common here, y minus 5, that is equal to 0. So y minus 5 common. This is y minus 4 equal to 0. Both factors are equal to 0. Y is equals to 0. Y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is the value of y is equals to 5. And this is y is equals to 4. Now we have to put these values one by one in equation number 1 to find out the value of x here. So this is put y is equals to 5 in equation number 1. And the equation number 1 is x square plus 4x equals to 5. And this is 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Now we have to apply the quadratic formula. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 4, and C is equals to minus 5. X is equals to minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC over 2A. So B is 4 minus 4AC, A is 1 and B is minus 5 divided by 2A means 1. Now x minus 4 plus minus 4 4s are 16 minus minus plus 4 5s are 20. 2 1s are 2 and this is minus 4 plus minus this is 36. Now the factors of 36, the radical of 36 is 6. So we have to separate one time plus, one time minus. So this is 2 upon 2 and this is minus 10 upon 2. So x is 1 and x is minus 5. Now we have to put the value, another value, that is y is equals to 4 in equation number 1 again. Now we have to put y is equal to 4 in equation number 1 again. So this is x square plus 4x is equals to 4, x square 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So again a is equals to 1, apply the quadratic formula, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to minus 4. So this is x is equals to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac over 2a. So just we have to put their values here. B square minus 4ac. So this is 4 plus minus 16 minus minus plus 4 4s are 16 divided by 2. So this is minus 4 plus minus 12 2 1 plus 1 3 3 32. Make the factors here. 2 1s are and here 4 4s. So this is minus 4 plus minus 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So this is the pair here. 2 plus minus 4 radical 2 divided by 2. So just take out 4 common here. Twos are 4. So this is the value of x, that is 2 times minus 1 plus minus radical 2. So the solution set is 1 minus 5 and 2 times minus 1 plus minus radical 2. This is the answer of this question. Now, dear students, last method we are going to discuss of exercise 3.4, question number 19 to question number 21, almost we have the similarity here. So these are the radical equations. What are the radical equations? Radical equations are those equations in which at least one radical is involved. So those type of equations are called radical equation. If there are two radicals, we have to shift one radical to the another side and take out the square. If there are three radicals, so two radicals on one side and the third one we have to shift to the other side. And if there are four radicals, then we have to shift two radicals to the right hand side and two radicals should be on the left hand side. So here we have two radicals, so one of them we have to shift to the right hand side and then we have to take out square on both sides. So squaring on both sides. So this is 2x plus 7, 1 minus x plus 3 to the whole square. So this square, cancel this, 2x plus 7. So here this is a minus b, so we have to apply the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is x plus 3 to the whole square. So this is 2x plus 7, it is equals to 1 minus 2 radical x plus 3, and this is plus square radical cancel and x plus 3. So this is 2x plus 7, it is equals to 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 x plus 3 and plus x. This 3 and plus 1 4. Now we have to shift this 4 and this x to the left hand side to separate the single radical, and then we have to take out again a square on both sides. So this is 2x minus x, this plus x we have to shift it here, plus 7, this is minus 4, that is equals to minus 2 of radical x plus 3, and this is x 7 minus 4, that is 3, equals to minus 2 times x plus 3. Now again squaring both sides. Both sides, and this is x plus 3 to the whole square minus 2 x plus 3 to the whole square. Now here again we have to apply the formula a plus b to the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now power even, negative will change into positive. 2 square means 4 and radical x plus 3 means x plus 3. Now this is x square, 2 3s are 6x plus 9, it is equals to 4x, 4 3s are 12. Shift all numbers to the left hand side, x square, 6x minus 4x plus 9 minus 12, it is equal to 0. And this is x square plus 2x minus 3, it is equal to 0. So middle term, we have to use the middle term break formula here, method here, that is 3 ones are 3. Plus 3 minus 1 is 2. Take out x common, x plus 3 minus 1 common, x plus 3 equal to 0. So here x plus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0. Now one by one they will be equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. So the value of x is minus 3 and the value of x it is equals to 1. In radical equation, dear students, please remember this point. This is not the answer. First we have to put these results in the question, and if these values satisfy the question, that will be the root of this equation and that will be the part of the given solution set. And if it is not satisfied, then it is the extraneous root and we will not write down that value in the sets there. So here this is the question. This is the question. One by one we have to put these values. 2x plus 7 plus x plus 3 equals to 1. Now we have to put value x minus 3 to check whether it is the root of this equation or not. Minus 3 plus 3 equal to 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 7 plus 0 and 7 minus 6 means 1, 1 radical 1, so 1 is equals to 1. So x is equal to minus 3 satisfy this equation. That means x is equal to minus 3 is the root of this equation. Now we have to put x is equals to 1 again in the same question here. So this is 2 plus 7 and this is 1 plus 3, it is equal to 0. So this is 2, 1s are 2, 9 and this is radical 4, it is equals to 1. 9 radical means 3, 4 radical means 2, it is equals to 1, 5 it is equals to 1, not possible. That means x is equal to 1 is not the root of this equation. So our solution set will be, we have to write down the value which satisfies the question. So this is minus 3. This is the answer of this question. So dear students, always remember that when you are going to find the solution of radical equation, so we have to check whether it is the root of this equation or not. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasser Arfat. Allah Hafiz.